Click on the link below to get price. The WEN Quiet 6800 watt dual-fuel RV-ready electric start portable inverter generator is a robust solution for anyone in need of reliable power on the go. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors, tailgating at your favorite sports event, or preparing for a power outage at home, this generator promises to deliver performance and convenience. One of the standout features of the WEN generator is its dual-fuel capabilities. This means it can run on either gasoline or propane, allowing users to choose the most convenient and economical fuel source for their needs. The flexibility of fuel options is a significant advantage, particularly in situations where one type of fuel may not be readily available. Additionally, propane can be a cleaner burning option, which some users may prefer for environmental reasons. The generator boasts a powerful 6,800 watt starting capacity and a running wattage of 5,500 watts. This output is sufficient to power essential appliances, including refrigerators, air conditioners, and other electronics, making it a solid choice for RV enthusiasts. It can handle the demands of most RVs without breaking a sweat, allowing for a comfortable camping experience with all the modern conveniences. The inverter technology also ensures that the power produced is stable and clean, making it safe for sensitive electronics, such as laptops and phones. Another impressive aspect of the WEN generator is its quiet operation. With a noise level of just 57 decibels at a quarter load, it runs quieter than many traditional generators. This feature is especially beneficial for those who enjoy camping in peaceful settings or for anyone operating in noise-sensitive environments. The quiet operation means you can enjoy your outdoor activities without the constant drone of a loud generator in the background. Starting the generator is a breeze, courtesy of its electric start function. The convenience of a push-button start eliminates the need for manual recoil, which can be cumbersome, especially for those who may have difficulty with physical exertion. The generator also includes a backup recoil starter for added reliability, ensuring that you can always get power when you need it. The WEN Quiet 6800 watt generator is equipped with a variety of outlets, including two 120V 3-prong receptacles, one 120V RV-ready outlet, one 12V DC outlet, and two USB ports. This versatility allows users to charge multiple devices simultaneously, making it ideal for users who rely on various electronics while away from traditional power sources. The inclusion of USB ports is a thoughtful touch, catering to the growing number of devices that require USB charging. Portability is another key feature of the WEN generator. Weighing in at about 130 pounds, it comes with a sturdy wheel kit and a collapsible handle that make it easy to transport. Whether you're loading it into your vehicle for a weekend getaway or moving it around your property, the design simplifies the process. The generator's compact size also means it won't take up excessive space in your RV or garage. Safety is paramount with any generator, and WEN has equipped this model with several safety features. The built-in low oil shutdown automatically turns off the engine when oil levels are critically low, preventing damage to the engine. The generator is also equipped with overload protection, which helps to guard against potential electrical hazards. On the downside, while the WEN Quiet 6800 watt generator offers many great features, it's important to note that it does require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. This includes oil changes, air filter replacements, and general upkeep. For those who are not familiar with generator maintenance, this could be a learning curve. Additionally, while the dual fuel feature is advantageous, users should be aware that switching between fuel types may require some adjustment in understanding how to operate the generator efficiently in both modes. However, the user manual is thorough and provides helpful guidance for those new to generator use. In conclusion, the WEN Quiet 6800 watt dual-fuel RV-ready electric start portable inverter generator stands out in the market for its combination of power, efficiency, and ease of use. Its dual-fuel capability,